In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video in Elementor. Adding a dynamic, engaging video background can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your website, making it more captivating and modern. Whether you're showcasing a product, setting a mood, or simply looking to add some flair, a background video can be the perfect way to achieve that. To begin, we'll start by selecting your desired section or container. Open your page using Elementor, and once the page editor is activated, locate the section you want to enhance with a video background. This could be a particular header, a full-page section, or any designated area of your web page. If you're using the Flex layout, you'll want to choose your container specifically. This selection process is crucial as it defines where your background video will appear, so choose an area that would benefit from the added visual impact. Once you've selected your section or container, direct your attention to the Style tab. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the Style tab, which can typically be found in the left panel of your Elementor interface. Here, you'll notice a variety of customization options, but what we're interested in is the background type. You'll see several options here, such as classic or gradient, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on the video icon. This action will enable the video option, allowing you to add a moving background to your section. Now, let's add your video link. Depending on the source of your video, the steps will differ slightly. If you're using a widely accessible platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you simply need to paste the URL of the video you want to use. It's as simple as copying the link from your chosen platform and inserting it into the designated area in Elementor. This approach is straightforward and often the most convenient way to add a background video. Alternatively, if you have a self-hosted video, an MP4 file that resides on your server, you'll need to upload this file. Once uploaded, you paste its URL into Elementor. This method is ideal for those who wish to use personal or custom video content. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add a background video in Elementor. Remember, when selecting your video, consider factors like video quality and loading times, as they can impact your site's performance. Also, ensure that the video enhances rather than distracts from the key content on your page. Background videos should be visually engaging but not overpowering. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic, professional look to your website, truly giving it an edge that captures the attention of visitors. Happy editing!